In this video, I want to go over the sum of positive problem on Codewars. And what I want you to do is you get an array of numbers, return the sum of all the positive ones. Now let's look at the example. They pass us an array, and in this case it's 1, -4, 7, and 12. What we will add up or sum up is 1, 7, and 12, skipping -4 because it is less than 0. The sum of this array will be 20. 1 plus 7 plus 12 is 20. Note, if there's nothing to sum, the sum is default to 0. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called total, and we're going to set it equal to 0. This is going to be the array that we return at the end. This is going to hold the sum of all the elements greater than 0 from our array. Next, we need to iterate throughout our array, so we'll just say for I in R. We need to check to see if the integer in question is greater than 0, so if I is greater than 0. If that is indeed the case, what we do is we add it to our total variable, so total plus equals I. At the end of iterating throughout our entire array, we just return our total variable. So let's attempt it and see if it works. All 45 test cases passed. So that's a super simple one. I hope that you found it valuable though, and if you did, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed, and that'll be the end of this tutorial.